How to log in into your CourseHero account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into your CourseHero account. For this, launch open any web browser and head over to CourseHero.com. Then click on the login option. Now you can log in using your Facebook account, your Apple account, or your Google account. So select any of this, or you can also log in using your email address. For that, you want to enter your email address over here, then enter your password. Now check the box that says I'm not a robot. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the option of forgot password. Then on the next page, in order to reset your password, you will have to enter your email address. So go ahead and enter that. After that, click on the reset password option. Then you can enter your new password and click on the login button. Once you do that, if all of your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. Now, if you do not have an account and want to create one, simply click on the sign up option. Then follow the on-screen prompts and your new account will be created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.